I will go over this question from the worksheet, which says PSR is a straight line, this one. Angle PSQ is 90 degrees. PS is 8.4 centimeters. Angle QPS is 38 degrees. Angle SQR is 44 degrees. SQR, 44 degrees. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Work out the length of QR, that is. Okay, so QR is this one. And as I've told you before, you need an angle and a side, or 2 sides, to work out everything else in the triangle. We only have an angle here. We need a side. To get the side, we look at the other right angle triangle. And notice that here we do have a side and an angle. So we use that to work out this side here. I need a different pen. Yeah. We work out this side using this triangle. Having done that, we will now have the side and an angle that we need. So looking at triangle PQS, and we label it opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse, and we write SOHCAHTOA down, and we want the opposite side using the adjacent side. Hypotenuse is not involved. It's a tan question. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Putting the values in, we get tan of 38 degrees is opposite side, which we'll call QS, over adjacent side, which is 8.4. And so QS equals 8.4 times tan of 38 degrees, which is 8.4 tan 38, and store that in the memory slot A, so 6.56. So this is 6.56 centimeters rounded, of course. You keep this number in the calculator. On the paper, just write it down to 1 or 2 decimal places. Okay, but work with the full precision of the calculator if you can. Right, we now have a side and an angle. We're now looking at this triangle on the right. So the labeling changes. This is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and that's the hypotenuse. Okay, we're looking at this triangle here. And we want QR, which is the hypotenuse, right? So once again, we write SOHCAHTOA down. We want the hypotenuse from the adjacent side. The opposite side is not involved. It's a cosine question. Cos theta is adjacent side over hypotenuse. And so the cosine of 44 degrees is the adjacent side, which is 6.56, over the hypotenuse, which is QR. To rearrange this, you multiply by QR and you divide by cos of 44. This will help you. I recommend that you use this in the exam. We're trying to find the hypotenuse. So you cover it and you're left with A over C. So the hypotenuse QR is equal to the adjacent side, 6.56, divided by the cos of 44 degrees. Okay, remember to use this, to help you rearrange the formula. Right, this goes into the calculator. Memory slot A. So A divided by cos of 44 degrees, like that. And you get 9.12 centimeters, which in fact is the final answer to 3 significant figures. I hope this helps.